Well, I have to be honest with you. There's a lot of Windows 11 videos in my queue. I promise everyone they will be coming out now fast and furious, just in time for the holiday season. So one of the requests that I had from my faithful viewers was to make sure I went back and revisited all of those machines lying around the house that I slapped very early versions of Windows 11 onto. How are they doing? Do I still love them? Have I scrubbed Windows 11 off like an oily stain? Anyways, thanks for joining me. Let's take a look at one of those laptops right now. It's been running Windows 11 for months, and we're going to see what's happening with the powerhouse gaming laptop. Now everyone's going to flame me because it's not that powerhouse, but it was fully ready for Windows 11. It had the TPM chip all set up. It had the correct CPU version. It had tons of RAM, tons of video memory. It was designed, if you will, for Windows 11. Let's check that machine out now. So here it is, that HP Omen 15 laptop. Just to kind of remind you of specs, why don't we hop into settings and we'll go to the system settings where we can see, all right, how about this system? There we go. Device specifications. So it's the Omen 52 i7, 2.6 gigahertz processor, 64 gig of RAM, 64-bit based Windows 11 Pro. And I installed it, look at that, on 9/27/2021. So that was a real pre-public release of Windows 11. Now, I've been doing all of the updates, but of course, that's no real surprise that all of the updates that are possible from Microsoft have been being applied to this laptop, because remember, this laptop met all of their hardware requirements as far as exact CPU versions and TPM chip utilization. So this is no surprise that this machine has done great as far as the updates go, and all updates have been applied. Now, let's check in on reliability. One of my favorite tools, and I bet you it's my favorite tool in Windows 11 and 10 and let's see, 8 and 7. I think it was Windows 7, if my memory serves, when this tool first showed up. But I guess it's no surprise that I love this tool because it's so splunky, right? This reminds me so much of what we do at Splunk, my full-time job. We create dashboards like this that can report on the health of the system. Well, look at this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I was trucking along here very reliably until just recently, and all hell broke loose. Now, I actually know what this is, and this was an unexpected power failure, and the battery life wasn't there, and I'm thinking that's what happened here. But notice, prior to my own idiocy, this laptop was extremely reliable. Okay, Camtasia Studio crapped out back then. Camtasia Studio craps out, every so often. You kind of get what you pay for there. It's a great, great product, don't get me wrong, but you're not paying anywhere near the price for it that you would for something like Adobe Premiere Pro or Apple's Final Cut Studio and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, yeah, it's been very reliable. I've been very happy with this machine since moving to Windows 11. Now, do I think Windows 11 is like a killer upgrade? I can't really say that. No, I can't, because honestly, there's only been one feature that I've been super excited about, and it's so kind of silly. I mean, this easily could have been added to Windows 10. It's the snap layout feature, where I can go up here and I can say, all right, I want this window over here, and I'll put my TechSmith Camtasia up in the top window. You get the idea. If I had opened a bunch of windows here, oh my gosh, so stupid. What did I do? All right, hang on. We're going to get this chaos stopped here any second. All right, there we go. Okay, so let me just open a couple of windows, right? And then you'll get the joke here. And I'm sure you've seen my other videos where I talked to you about this feature. But yeah, this has been the only thing that I've found myself using and really loving about the new Windows. And obviously, this little snap layout feature, this could have been added to Windows 10. I mean, I'm not a developer, but I can tell that this is something they can put in there. I mean, my goodness, it's just Windows behavior. And my apologies to everyone in the South. Well, anyways, it's been wonderful. Honestly, I'm not here to bash Windows 11. I'm telling you that it's been a glorious upgrade experience. But as far as new features that I'm all gaga over, they don't really exist. Oh, and look at this. Let's see. Remember when I did the install originally months ago on this system, widgets did not work. And look at this. They crash still. Yep. So widgets still not working. And a few of my viewers have actually told me how to fix this. So that'll be another upcoming video in how to fix my darn widgets. Now, remember what I said way back then. I don't give a rat's behind about widgets. I am never going to use that feature. The only reason the widgets button is still on my taskbar is a reminder to myself to get this fixed and teach everyone how to fix it if they're going through this widgetless experience. But I won't use widgets. It's just not in my workflow. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching.